Okay, hey guys, we're cooking again, like the ASMR one, because they're actually pretty fun to edit and they're easy because I'm already cooking, so it's like, yeah. But today we're gonna have, she ordered this big one, maybe half of this one, but mac and cheese, broccoli, chicken, but not all of the chicken. I'm gonna cut some. Oh, that reminds me, I need to make some pancake meal preps for next week. But I'm gonna cut up the chicken. I'm gonna start with the chicken because it's gonna take the longest. I'm gonna cut it and put it in like this, and then put some in the freezer and some in the refrigerator so we could just cook it, like me and my brother, because my mom does cook, but we're old enough to cook for ourselves, but we just don't be cooking. But if it's already done, then it'll be easy. So yeah, I'm gonna wash it first. Before I even cut the chicken, I realized that I need the, should I do it this way? I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. I need the cutting board for when I like put the chicken on there. Okay, now we can wash the chicken. Actually, I might just record it so y'all can see it, because that's content. Don't start blurring up on me now. It's probably the lighting actually. It's 5:05 by the way. I want to be done by like 5. Nah, probably 6 actually, because I have to cut this, and then I think I'm gonna also, no, because after I eat, I'm gonna do some work. So after I eat and do the work, then I'll come back and make the pancakes. But I'll probably make that a separate video. So, ew, the freaking light glistening, shimmering right there. Camera, like, bro. Okay, I can't really see me. Oh, double O, triple O, quadruple O. There we go. Oh, but you can.
3 hours later.
Okay, so there's actually a lot of chicken, and I feel like, no, actually I can make this work. Because I'm gonna use maybe this one. These ones are big cut. There's 6. We'll just cut these in random little pieces. This is the wrong knife actually. These are gonna get thrown in the freezer. Oh Lord. These are not the newest knives, or like the best, fanciest knives, and I have zero technique, but that's like a good size for like a quick chicken, right? I think so. Gordon Ramsay, like, not dead, but rolling in his grave still. The noises is no, it fell off the meat pile. Oh my goodness. Let me see, because this one is pretty big. Actually, I'll probably make 2 chickens because we can eat some today and tomorrow. Oh, Oh, and I could always meal prep for lunch now, but I might just wait till tomorrow. Yeah, because since they're already cut, I can just cook it on Sunday. Because it'll be season 2. And then I can, I don't know, I'll figure out a size later. Probably take 2 bags. Should I put seasoning in the bag or should I season the shake? I'm just gonna put it in the bag and shake it up. Oh. Yeah. There is no measurement with this. I just know that my mom picks out good seasoning, so it's usually good no matter what. This is my secret. Secret sauce. And a little bit of water too. It'll like make it like a piece. Again, no measurements. Just a lot of practice. A lot of add more seasoning because there's a lot of chicken. Oh, the soy sauce, I don't know, it kind of stinks to me though. Oh, I did not show y'all the seasonings. Got that one, and I think I did this one, if it'll show. Yeah, there you go. I don't usually add salt because the seasonings have salt in it themselves. And then if it's not seasoned, I can always add more seasoning when I actually cook this chicken. The very used, very dear cooking pot. What is that in there? I think it's just a little dusty. And I have no idea what I'm doing, but I like to season the water. Like, I don't know, I just like get in there. This pan will be also what I'll be using to cook the chicken in. Just like that. Again, I'm not using salt. This is kind of my salt alternative, I guess. It's like garlic powder, salt, and I'll use a little bit of this. I feel like it seasons the noodles. I don't like a plain noodle. Now I'm gonna wait for this to boil, and I'm gonna cook the chicken too. I might cook it on the back. Yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. Here, we're gonna put a little bit of that in there. Cause it's just less messy that way. I have to like turn my camera on and off. Not on and off, but stop and start. Because my footage is getting corrupted. And parsley, I don't know what it does, but I don't know what I'm doing, but this is just how I do it. I have no skills, but my mom taught me like that. That meat juices went in there. Oh shoot, I forgot about that. It'll be fine though. Okay, wash this off now. I found another alternative because the camera's on here, but yeah. So this. Oh, I have to open the oven because I have to get the sauce out. Let me make all of it for later. No metal on the pans. Let's scratch the pan. Oh, the fire is. Now, I'll just have to wait, honestly. Because everything is cooking. So, I'll come back when it's like almost done. Oh, and I have to cook the broccoli. You know, I'm gonna put the broccoli in there with the pasta. Like, after. I don't know. I might cook everything together after it's done, but we'll have to see. Alright, the chicken and the cheese sauce. Bless you. And the noodles are in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put the broccoli in. Like, put this in and then let it simmer together. And yeah, I'm about to check the chicken now. I got that. I don't think it's done yet, but some of them are bigger. Oh, this actually looks good. Okay, so it actually is done. I'm gonna put it in there. So put that over there. I'm gonna get the broccoli. My hands are washed, so I'm just gonna, yeah, perfect. Just snappy. The little florets are getting. And what is on my shirt? Cheese sauce. Okay. It's working pretty well. I'm gonna put these in a separate bowl because I love these and I'm gonna cook them for my lunch. And that sounds weird, but they're really good to me. I swear I say this for like every vegetable, but they're like major strips. Because I don't cook my vegetables all the way down usually when it's just me. But for this one, I'm gonna cook it down a little bit because everybody else is eating. And I'll eat my little, I don't know, stocks, I guess they're called. See, like this one won't have one because it's like they all have their own branch kind of thing. And no, that was not over the food. Oh, maybe I was wrong. It does kind of have one. I feel like this might be enough broccoli, but I'm gonna add one more. There are gonna be little green dots everywhere, and my mom's gonna be like, you need to sweep this up. Okay. Let me see the broccoli to manage this ratio. Yeah, these things are small. My camera's about to die. I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more because the broccoli's not done. The pasta is a little, like, I'm just gonna cook some more. And then we'll be done. And I'm gonna cook. Just wash them now so I don't have to do it later. For the floor, for the dishes. End of the video. I'm hot and I'm hungry. Let me taste the broccoli. Mm-hmm.